Yep. Alright, what's up guys? So, I'm gonna go ahead and try to crank it now. And he's been sitting for quite a bit, but I just got a battery. It's in there, it's all good. Everything looks good. I got the cable. Spark plug cable, so it should crank. Let's see what happens right now. Oh, I don't even have a key. Man. Oh, right here so you guys can see the cluster. Oh, heck yeah. First try. See, and everything does work on the cluster. Like, see, yeah. It's good. Everything works as it should. So hot though.
Okay, I'm here.
But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and power steering. I mean, it's on. I'm just go ahead and clean it up a bit right quick, and then
Okay? You're right.
what's up guys? I literally just finished washing the car, literally right now, and it's raining. Of course it's gonna rain. See, it's already all but I mean, the paint still looks good, but I gotta fix this back window. I gotta fix it quick. It's already leaking in there. Oops. But yeah, stay tuned for the next video, and go ahead and show you guys how I'm gonna repair this back window. I already did some of it last time, a trial run. You can see right down here, and it held pretty good, so we're gonna try it out, see how it holds. All right, peace out.